What's up, tech explorers? Welcome to Tech Topography, where we decode tomorrow's technology. Today we're diving deep into the Minitailz Minitailz, a device that's revolutionizing how we monitor our four-legged friends' health and well-being. This is an independent, unsponsored review based on our hands-on testing experience. Let's break down what makes this AI-powered collar special. With over 400,000 users worldwide and 7 consecutive innovation awards, Minitailz has established itself as a leader in pet tech. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The standout feature is what Minitailz calls the cardiac signature technology. Think of it as a fingerprint for your dog's heart. The collar uses advanced AI algorithms to monitor heart rate patterns, track respiratory rates during rest, create a unique cardiac profile for your pet. We'll show you exactly how this works in real time. Location tracking is comprehensive, real-time position updates, complete movement history, safe zone setup with instant alerts. Let me demonstrate how accurate this is in both urban and open areas. The activity monitoring goes beyond basic step counting. Detailed exercise analysis, walking, running, playing, mealtime tracking, sleep quality monitoring. Here's what 2 weeks of data looks like for my dog Max. Let's talk about the engineering. AI-powered sensor array, edge computing capabilities, water-resistant design, 2-week battery life, built-in SIM card for cellular connectivity. Important considerations. Monthly subscription starts at $9.60, includes SIM card and data coverage, backed by a solid 2-year warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee. After 3 weeks of testing, here's what impressed us. Accuracy of health monitoring, reliability of GPS tracking, battery life consistency, app interface usability. And here's what could be improved. Monthly subscription requirement, initial setup complexity, size considerations for smaller dogs. Considering this device was developed by IoT and AI specialists, the technology justifies the investment for pet owners who want preventive health monitoring, need reliable GPS tracking, value detailed activity insights, appreciate data-driven pet care. The Minitailz isn't just another pet tracker. It's a comprehensive health monitoring system. While the subscription model might not be for everyone, the technology and features make it a compelling choice for tech-savvy pet owners. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Topography for more in-depth tech reviews. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.